people look at their coins and they want to know why one coin is nicer than another coin. Grading helps to standardize that process and at the same time assign a value. Grade equals value in a shorthand sense.
A lot of people have coins, they inherit coins, they find coins, and they really don't know the value. Grading is a really great thing. It helps determine what the coin's worth, it helps protect the coin when they're encapsulated, and it provides guarantee that the coin's genuine.
You can educate yourself perhaps better than ever between taking courses like this and viewing coins that have been graded by reputable grading services.
Coins won't grade if they have problems, so a coin can't be cleaned, scratched, damaged. Something just doesn't look quite right with this coin.
Contact marks, strike, luster, and eye appeal. They're all very subjective, but eye appeal really is the most important factor and is by far the most subjective factor when it comes to coin grading. It's still very much an art, but it has become, over the past 30 years or so, much more standardized than what it used to be.